welcome back to my channel. I have a box for you today. It is called Clean Couture. I love this box. I opened this one other time on my channel. It is an awesome natural organic bath body box. So let me tell you a little bit about it and then we'll get right into it. It is a premium bath, body, and spa subscription box, and it's delivered right to your front door, so you don't even have to fight the crowds to get this wonderfully awesome box. So they have, let's see, the box ships between the 10th and the 15th of the month. You have to order by the 3rd to get the current box, the current month's box. And then every month you receive 5 to 8 full-size luxury bath products. You can get bath bombs, lotions, creams, body butter, shower steamers, artisan soap, shower poof, scrubs, votives, hair care, and so much more. You get a lot in this box. And the box is carefully planned so you don't get the same items stacking up on you at month to month to month, because they pay attention to what's going in the box every month so that you don't get the same thing every month, which is a great thing. I like that in a box where they go, no, wait, we sent that to her last month. Let's send her something different this month, which is a great idea. Product. So let's open this box. I love this package. It is pretty beautiful pink, and the contrast with the black. Oh, it is just a beautiful package. So here's the size of the box. It is beautiful and very petite box, but I know this box packs a punch. So let's open it up. There, oops, there's what it looks like when you first open it. It looks like we have a nice little letter. We'll read that in 1 second. And here is our little info card. So let's see what our letter says first. Maybe a code so I can get you guys a deal. It says, thanks for giving our box a peek on your channel. Yay, we truly appreciate it. And it says you guys can enjoy 20% off of this box by using the coupon code HOLLY at checkout. And it says that they hope that I enjoy the products that they have enclosed. And it says, sincerely, Kim Mullican, owner of Storytime Soap Shop and maker of Clean Couture subscription box. And oh, I forgot to tell you the price on the box. The price is $22.95 a month. So 20% would make it 20 bucks a month. So that your first box would be around $20 for your first box to try it out. So, all right, let's see what we have here. Here is our card, and it says Clean Couture. Yeah, Clean Couture February box. Oh, I just love the little lips and the heart. Oh, wonderful Valentine's box. So, and then it says, want to win a free box? Here's how to enter. Take a photo or video on this card what is inside your box. And then another plus with this box is each month we bring you an important woman in history as a reminder that you can do anything you put your mind. Pick it up one more time. So it doesn't really show you much when you first open it. It's just like, here you go. So let's see what we have buried, and I call it a little bird's nest. That's what it looks like to me, right? It looks kind of like a little bird's nest, but there's some hidden treasures inside of here. And first we have, here it is. It is some lips, and it says Love and Kisses Soap. Let's see if that is what this is. But I'm not sure that that is it? Kisses Bath Bomb. This is the lips. Kisses Bath Bomb. And place in a full tub of warm water and enjoy the show. Packed with skin-loving ingredients, our bath bombs put on a show without staining. So this is a bath bomb that is so pretty. I just love it. And it smells just juicy and delicious. Yay, I'm gonna love trying that. That smells yummy. All right, let's see what else is hidden in our little bird's nest. That's what I call it. Oh, I found something in here. All right, and this is called, oh, a shower steamer, and it is menthol and eucalyptus. Shower steamer, let's face it, it's that time of year. Packed with menthol and eucalyptus, place in the shower away from the drain and breathe easy. So these things work amazingly. If you have like stuffed sinuses, you're congested horribly, you can put this in the shower with you and turn that hot water on, and it just is like, it just opens up the sinus cavities. I'll tell you firsthand, this thing works amazingly. I love these things. And you can smell the menthol and the eucalyptus in it. These work amazing. Okay, so let's move our bird's nest. See why I call it a bird's nest? Out of the way. Oh, we have a lot of goodies. Let me show you what was underneath everything. There we go. Lots of stuff in there. All right, so let's see. Love and Kisses soap. Pink sugar. Oh, maybe this is it. Maybe, I'm not sure. Not entirely sure. How about we do this? I'm not entirely sure what is what here. Massage bars. Okay, this is, here we go. No, let's see. See if we can open this without destroying the bag. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna pull them out because you'll get a better idea of what they look like if I pull them out. Ooh, these smell just divine. Oh my, look at those. Oh, guys, you just, I wish you could smell these. These smell, oh my goodness gracious, they smell amazing. They smell yummy. They do, they smell yummy. Okay, let me read a little bit about them. Oh, they would make your skin nice and soft. Okay, they are called Massage Bar, and it says they are perfect for a couple's massage or self-care. This solid lotion bar will melt as you rub it on your skin. And I'm telling you, the minute I touched it, it was like, you can tell. I've never had a lotion bar before, but I'm trying to rub it on my skin a little bit so you can see where it's going in. Okay, so I don't, maybe you can tell there. But that, you can see where my skin is kind of shiny. That is, wow. That works really good. Have you guys ever seen a lotion bar before? I've never seen a lotion bar. That smells good. I like that. I like that idea. And then we have pink sugar. This is called, this is the scent Pink Sugar, and it is Love and Kisses soap. This luxury bar is packed full of skin-loving oils and won't give you the same itchy, dry feel as standard commercial bars will. The fragrance is a blend of cotton candy, I love cotton candy, lemon drops, caramel, and raspberry jam on a dry down of musk. That smells just wonderful. That smells yummy. Oh, look at just the detail in there is just amazing. And that's a big old bar of soap, I'll tell you. I love their soap. That's nice. I like that. I like that. Very nice. And then we have With Love Bubble Bar. Ooh, I lost something there. There's that. Isn't that just cute? Oh, it's so cute. Simply break apart under running water. Take in scents of raspberry, bergamot, magnolia, jasmine, white musk, and vetiver while you soak. You can get 1 to 2 bubble baths from this bar. Okay. Very nice. Oh, oh, it's open right there. Good thing I didn't have my mouth open. It went away in my mouth. See the little hole right? There's a hole, like right there. See my fingers inside, right there, there's like a hole. It does smell good. That smells amazing too. So I'm glad it didn't have my mouth open, though it would have went in my mouth. But that smells just divine. I like that. I'm gonna try that. Yeah, all right, I like that. That's nice too. Okay, and we have one more thing in here, and it is a candle. You know me and my candles. All right, let's see what kind of candle this is. And this says this is, I don't know what this scent is. It does not say what scent it is. Okay, that's the soap, the bubble bar, the massage bar, the shower steamer, and the bath bomb. And it does say that you can blow out the candle. It says this is a massage candle, and you allow it to burn until a pool forms, and then you blow the candle out and use the melted wax for a romantic massage, or simply enjoy the fragrance. So here is the candle. This is how it comes, and it says Storytime Massage Candle on the jar, on the container. And I was trying to see if it said, oh, cocoa butter, shea butter, avocado butter, fragrance, burn until a pool forms, and then you blow it out, and you can use it, you know, to massage. It has kind of like a chocolate kind of smell, but that's a good size candle. So very nice. I like that. All right, well, that is it for my Clean Couture soap box, and I like this box. I would definitely pay the $22 a month for this box. It's a nice box, and they are all natural. Very, very nice box. So let me know what you guys thought of this box. If you, oh, we're losing it. And if you would consider getting this box, even if it was just a one-time purchase, I think it's well worth the 20 bucks a month for your first box. 20 bucks. You get to try it and see if you like it, you know? So if you are going to try this box, please let me know. I'd be curious to see what you received in your box, first of all, and then if you liked it. I love the natural organic handmade soaps because there's a lot of love put into the soaps and not a lot of preservatives and junk put into them. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right over there, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget that I appreciate you guys 137%. I know I just came up with that number randomly. It sounded good in my head, so I said it out loud. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video real soon. And don't forget to check out the giveaway that I have going on right now. But don't forget to check out the I have a surprise for you video, and I think it's in combination with the How to Be a Redhead box, because there's a giveaway in that video. But you would only know if you watch this one to the end of this video. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video real soon. Bye now.